microcosm.
Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up, because we're about to embark on an epic cosmic journey through the vast expanse of the universe, where planets aren't just big, they're colossal behemoths that defy our earthly imaginations. I'm talking about the top 3 largest planets we've discovered out there in the stars, giants that make our own Jupiter look like a mere pebble in the pond of space. You see, in the grand theater of the cosmos, size matters, and these worlds are the undisputed heavyweights, puffed up by stellar heat, bizarre orbits, and the raw forces of nature. Let's dive in, shall we? Imagine zooming out from our cozy solar system, past the gas giants we know and love, and into the realm of exoplanets, worlds orbiting distant suns, each one a story of creation, chaos, and wonder. First off, claiming the crown as the absolute largest known planet by radius is HATP 67b, a monstrous gas giant that's over twice the size of Jupiter. Picture this. If Jupiter is about 11 times wider than Earth, HATP 67b stretches out to a staggering 2.085 times Jupiter's radius. That's like taking our biggest planet and inflating it with the hot air of 1,000 supernovas. Discovered back in 2017, this puffball orbits a star similar to our Sun, but way hotter and brighter, about 1,200 light-years away, in the constellation of Draco. Now, why is it so enormous? That's the magic of astrophysics. This planet hugs its star so closely, completing an orbit in just under 5 days, that it's baked by intense radiation, causing its atmosphere to balloon out like a marshmallow over a campfire. But here's the kicker. Despite its immense size, HATP 67b has a mass that's only half that of Jupiter, making it one of the least dense worlds we've ever found. It's like a cosmic cotton candy, fluffy, light, and utterly mind-blowing. Can you imagine standing on its edge, if it even has one? The winds there whip around at supersonic speeds, and the temperatures soar to over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. This isn't just a planet, it's a testament to how stars and their companions dance in ways that stretch the limits of what we thought was possible. And get this, recent studies in 2025 have refined our measurements, confirming its status as the puffiest giant out there, challenging our models of how planets form and evolve. But hold on, because coming in at a close second is WASP 17b, another inflated wonder that's nearly twice Jupiter's girth, clocking in at about 1.99 times Jupiter's radius. Unearthed in 2009 by astronomers scanning the skies with the Super WASP project, this beast resides roughly 1,300 light-years from us in the constellation Scorpius. What makes WASP 17b stand out isn't just its size. Oh no, it's the rebel of the exoplanet world. This planet orbits its star in the opposite direction to the star's spin, a retrograde path that's as rare as it is intriguing. How did that happen? Well, perhaps a gravitational tango with another massive body flung it into this backward ballet. Or maybe it formed that way in the chaotic disk of dust and gas around its young star. Orbiting every 3.7 days, it's scorched by stellar heat, reaching temperatures hot enough to vaporize metals. Think 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit on the day side. And density? Forget about it. This planet is lighter than cork, with half Jupiter's mass spread over that enormous volume. It's so low density that if you dropped it in a giant bathtub, it might just float. Scientists love this one because it pushes the envelope on atmospheric science. Its bloated envelope of hydrogen and helium could hold clues to exotic weather patterns like sodium rain or swirling storms that dwarf anything on Earth. WASP 17b reminds us that the universe doesn't play by our rules. It's full of surprises that keep us gazing upward night after night. Now, rounding out our top 3 is WASP 12b, a sizzling hot Jupiter that's puffed up to 1.90 times Jupiter's radius, making it a true heavyweight contender. Discovered in 2008, also through the SuperWASP survey, this doomed giant lurks about 1,300 light-years from us in the constellation Auriga. But here's where the drama kicks in. WASP-12b is on a death spiral. It orbits its star so insanely close, completing a lap in just over a day, that the gravitational pull is literally tearing it apart. Material from its atmosphere is streaming off into space, forming a disk around the star, and astronomers predict it'll be completely consumed in about 3 million years. That's a cosmic blink of an eye. Temperatures here hit a blistering 4,500 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt steel, and its shape is distorted into an egg-like form by the tidal forces. With a mass of 1.4 times Jupiter's, but that expanded size, it's another low-density puzzle, inflated by the relentless barrage of stellar radiation. Imagine the view from nearby. A dark, carbon-rich world, absorbing almost all light, earning it the nickname blacker than asphalt. Studies show it might even rain diamonds under that crushing pressure. But don't pack your bags, this place is a hellscape of ultraviolet fury and plasma winds. WASP-12b isn't just big, it's a harbinger of planetary fate, showing us how stars can devour their own children in the ultimate act of cosmic cannibalism. These titans, HATP-67b, WASP-17b, and WASP-12b, aren't lurking in our backyard. They're out there among the billions of stars in our Milky Way, each one a laboratory for understanding the extremes of nature. They're gas giants on steroids, shaped by their proximity to scorching stars, and they challenge everything we know about planetary atmospheres, orbits, and survival. But why stop at size? These worlds spark our curiosity about life, about other systems, about the sheer diversity of the cosmos. Are there even bigger ones waiting to be found? With telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope peering deeper every day, who knows what monsters we'll uncover next? In conclusion, folks, as we wrap up this whirlwind tour of the universe's biggest planetary bruisers, remember this: the cosmos is a place of endless awe, where the ordinary rules of size and scale get tossed out the airlock. These top three giants remind us that we're just specks on a tiny blue dot, but our minds can reach across light years to grasp the ungraspable. So keep looking up, keep questioning, because the stars are calling, and they've got stories bigger than we can imagine. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and never stop exploring the infinite wonders of space.